Bye.
You sounded like Brad. You broke the tripod.
Oh, crap.
Oh, Joni, you suck. You owe me,
Where'd the camera go?
you owe me 15
Oh, here it is.
bucks. You broke my tripod.
I can't get out now.
You owe me 15 bucks. Joni, you owe me 15 bucks.
Okay. Yeah, I need to buy a new one anyways. I just totally broke my tripod. The big part of it. Look, that's completely...
Tripod?
Yeah, well... That's completely bent. That snapped off. And here's the head of it. It totally broke off the top.
That was already broke.
Well, yeah, but now it's even worse. Yay! That's how you break a tripod. 2 informational videos in 1. How cool is that, people?